Hi, I'm Nahal Dinesh, dietitian for the MMC Feeding Clinic. I wanted to share with you the concept of Ellen Satter's division of responsibility in feeding. This is the idea of parents being responsible for when children eat and what is being offered for mealtimes. Children are responsible for what they choose to eat at the mealtime and how much they eat. Kids can help with planning the meal and mealtime prep, while parents make sure meals are balanced with appropriate food groups while offering familiar foods alongside new foods. Setting a schedule prevents kids from grazing and snacking all day and leaves room for nutritious meals and snacks, which should be served every 2 to 3 hours. Mealtimes should be a good experience. Keep mealtimes positive, pressure-free, and fun. Kids are paying attention, so try to model balanced and healthy eating. Lastly, eat together as a family as often as possible to also encourage healthy eating. Have fun!